Let's talk about the evening.
Evenings are important too.
What do you usually do after work or school?
First, I try to relax.
Relax how?
I sit down and take a deep breath.
That already sounds peaceful.
Yes, it helps me reset.
Do you check your phone right away?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Why not?
Because too much screen time makes me tired.
I feel the same.
So I limit my phone use.
What do you do instead?
I talk with my family.
That's a good habit.
Yes, we share our day.
Do you eat dinner early or late?
Usually around 7.
Do you eat while watching something?
No, I prefer to focus on eating.
That's healthier.
And more enjoyable.
What about English practice in the evening?
Even 10 minutes helps.
What do you practice?
Listening or repeating sentences.
That's easy to do at night.
Yes, no pressure.
Do you review your day?
Sometimes.
How do you do that?
I think about what went well.
And what didn't?
I learn from it.
That builds awareness.
Exactly.
What helps you sleep better?
Turning off screens early.
That's hard for many people.
But very helpful.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, short and simple reading.
In English?
Sometimes, yes.
That's a smart way to learn.
Learning without stress.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10:30.
A good evening leads to a good morning.
Everything is connected.
Small habits matter.
Every single day.
Some people think evenings are for rest only.
Rest is important, but balance matters.
What do you mean by balance?
Relax, but also prepare for tomorrow.
How do you prepare?
I plan my next day.
At night?
Yes, just a few minutes.
What do you plan?
3 simple tasks.
Only 3?
Yes, not more.
Why is that helpful?
It reduces stress.
Too many tasks feel heavy.
Exactly.
Do you write them down?
Yes, on paper.
Not on your phone?
Paper helps me focus.
That's interesting.
It feels more real.
Do you prepare your things?
Yes, clothes and bag.
That saves time in the morning.
And reduces decisions.
Decision fatigue is real.
Very real.
What about food?
Sometimes I prepare breakfast.
That's smart.
It makes mornings calm.
Calm mornings change the whole day.
Absolutely.
Do you reflect on English learning?
Yes, I ask one question.
What question?
What did I learn today?
That's powerful.
Small wins matter.
Do you repeat new words?
Just once or twice.
Before sleep?
Yes, very lightly.
No pressure again.
Exactly.
How do you calm your mind?
Slow breathing.
Do you count?
Inhale 4, exhale 6.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is.
Any final habit before sleep?
Gratitude.
What are you grateful for today?
Time, health, and learning.
That's a perfect way to end the day.
A calm mind sleeps better.